NDCL's Cloud, a virtual access to NDCL's computer network, files, and resources. The NDCL Cloud provides two methods of access, including virtual access to files by setting up shares to your home drive, your personal folder, the faculty share, the staff fac share, and student group folders. The second way is through a virtual desktop. When you log on to the virtual desktop, you will see a desktop just like you were sitting at a school computer. It'll have the applications that we own here at the school that you can use from your house. The applications will be able to access shared drives and your folders and files just like you were sitting at school also. So you can use the open file open utility, or go to your own personal folder and open something that you were working on at school but only at your house. Since it is a web-based utility, you can open through any browser, Internet Explorer, or Firefox. The address to the cloud is very simple if you can remember cloud, and then our website, so cloud.ndcl.org. And one thing you don't want to do is put the www in front of that, so do not put the www. Let's take a look at the cloud. As I said, it is a web-based utility, cloud.ndcl.org. When you get there, your logon credentials will be the same as your logon credentials at school. I'm going to use our sample faculty member account and log on as that. Once you log in, you will see all the resources that have been set up already, and as I mentioned, the faculty share, the home folder, the staff fac share, and the student group folders are presented for a faculty member. If you'd like to see your personal home folder, you click on this, and you may have to allow pop-ups. So if you're presented with a yellow bar that says allow pop-ups, allow those pop-ups so that it'll come up. If you would like to download something from your H drive, you can right-click and hit Save Target As, and that will download. So if I would like to download this Chapter 1 test, I will right-click it, hit Save Target As, and I will choose my local C drive and hit Save, and that's now downloaded to my home computer. If you'd like to upload, there's a button here for uploading, and that allows me to browse my local computer and put a computer from my home computer to my personal H drive at school. You can browse through folders by hitting different folders here as you go through, and if you're all done, you can browse back to the root of your home drive up here at the top. When you're all done with a folder share, you simply close out of it, and you can browse the other folder shares. Remote access is available. This is your virtual desktops. If you are on a Windows computer, you will use the remote access icon. If you are sitting at home on a Mac computer, you will use the remote access for Mac. Now there's some installation required here, and I've provided those directions in the Using Cloud document. Let me show you the remote desktop. So when I click on the remote desktop, a Java application will launch, and it will create a secure tunnel and present a remote desktop here. And as I mentioned, all the programs that we own, shortcuts and everything else that are presented to you when you log into a school computer are all there. I can launch Microsoft Word through the virtual desktop. I can open up a Chapter 1 test I can just showed you, and a little test on what a cloud is. When I'm done, I can save and close. And when you're done with the virtual desktop, you want to log off just like you do at school, and you'll be back to the cloud screen. When you're all done there, you also want to log off the cloud. And that is the NDCL Cloud.